So over here in Claude, what I can actually do is, let's say, for example, type in something. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say, tell me something about the chemical reaction process. Let's say, for example, right here. So I'm simply going to go ahead and ask it about chemical reaction. So you can see that it actually goes ahead and gives me some content related to the chemical reaction process, as you can see right here. But let's say for some reason I don't actually like the result. So if you don't like the result, you can actually see that there's a retry option to create another variation of the same information. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then it acts as if I sent the message again, and then it creates out another version of the output right here, just like this, as you can see. So this is what you have, and this is the first version and second version, as you can see right here, that you can compare side by side as well. You can even go ahead and click on retry again to create a third attempt, and so forth, as many times as you want, and you get multiple variations of the same content right here, just like this. So you want to go ahead and retry out the let's say result right here, the prompt generation, the generation of the content, that is. Then you can simply hit the retry button. You can go ahead and give it a positive feedback if you like it, or you can give a negative feedback as well. So this is actually for Claude itself, so that they can improve their system. And apart from that, you can copy up the content so that you can go ahead and paste it out in other places as you want, just like this as well. So that is basically how you can work around with the retry option and the result actions inside of Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.